To insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to grab our device and then look on the left side. Here you can find the SIM tray. You'll need a SIM ejection tool or something very thin to put it inside this hole right there. Now push on it until the slot is opened. Then we can remove it with our fingers. Be careful as the slot itself, the tray itself is very long. And now if we grab it, we need to take our card as well, and then make sure to put it with the cutout properly. So in my case, it will go in like this. Now be careful when when you're inserting this SIM tray back in your phone, as the cards can fall out easily. So we just need to very slowly slide it in there and then close the slot. Now that's how you can insert SIM cards in this phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.